The deserts are not empty. They're actually full of life and they're a very important habitat. And I feel like we've really inspired people to care about the desert ecosystem. It's not an empty wasteland just to trash or drive over the dunes with your cars. It's actually full of life. There's things under the sand, there's things living there. So we've been able to really illustrate that to our community. Is the wildlife thriving? And I would say the answer is yes.